Go ahead, 70. I'll be out behind the blood bank. Car just went off the road, I think, up to the railroad track. Okay, on East Ridge? Yes. Okay. I'll be out. Charles Sam, 6-1, David Nora. Get the fire department up here, too. 70 is Conner, maybe advised. Yes, that'll find the turn rail. 223-377. Thank you, Blake here. Get him here in a hurry.
Elyria Police can help you. Yes, we need emergency at, I'm at 333 East Bridge Street. Lightshare Community Blood Services. There was a car that went off of East Bridge Street and over the overpass on the railroad tracks.
Okay, my officer's out there with the, we already detailed Lightshare and the fire department.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
3377. 10-1, detailing Lightshare. You get Sergeant over here, too. Fire state detail and Lightshare in lab. Okay. 265 will hit that way also. Okay, 265. Go ahead, 70. And notify Conrail, the north side track and the middle track is blocked. 23 in route also? 23 is on the scene. Is Lightshare in route? 10-4, I detailed Lightshare. I told him behind the blood bank on East Bridge, right? Actually, as soon as they come underneath the overpass, they need to stop right there. We're just before the blood bank on the tracks. Okay, this was that reckless op earlier, 80-year-old man. Okay, it may have been a heart condition. 10-4. 377. Go ahead. Sure to notify Conrail. We are going to have those two tracks blocked for a while. 10-4. 377. Go ahead. Conrail. We are going to have those two tracks blocked.
Doing it now.
Alpha 7 Police Squad.
Hi, this is Elyria Police Department calling from Elyria, Ohio. We are out at our railroad tracks by East Bridge Street.
East Bridge?
Oh, yeah, I'm trying to figure out what is the railroad track there that I should notify the... Go ahead.
And we have two people in the vehicle entering into the second ambulance.
Okay, I'll call. We had an accident. Subject went over the tracks there, over the bypass, but I'm not sure if it's there. Hold on. 223. Hi, Bob. I'm on public service with Conrail. Which railroad tracks are these? Community Street and or post number?
Right by the Amtrak office, the first two tracks are on the north side. There's three tracks. The first two are north and the middle one are blocked.
Next to the Amtrak office. I'm not sure what it is. It's not telling me. Hold on. We're going to have them blocked is our point.
Yeah, well, I got to know exactly where.
Okay, 410 East River Street.
Does River Street cross the railroad?
Yes. We're going to have them blocked for a little bit. Like I said, we had an accident, probably injuries on 2 people, and we've got fire, ambulance, and police up there.
Alright, let me see here. What's the county there?
Lorraine County. Lorain. Go ahead.
Okay. Definitely local.
10-4-28
Okay. West River Street.
I have it as East River Street. 410 East River Street, the Amtrak station. Let me see. I think this is Norfolk, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I'm on with. 223. Let me verify the street with them. That's going to be the Amtrak station on East River Street, 410 East River? Okay, that's what the address is for the, it's going to be next to the Amtrak station.
Okay, what's your phone number?
440-323-3302.
Okay, your name?
Kovac, KOV as in Victor, ACH.
Alright, tell them to stand by. I'll get trains to stop right now. Fast like now, it takes them a while to get them stopped.
Right.
Okay?
Thank you.
Call me back. What's clear?
Oh, definitely.
Okay.
Bye.
277. Go ahead. Advising that we have 2 injured people in this vehicle. Like you may need to send a second ambulance.
Okay, I'll call back. I'm on public service with Conrail. Which railroad tracks are these? Union Street and or post number?
It's right by the Amtrak office. It's the first 2 tracks that are on the north side. There's 3 tracks. The first 2, the north, and the middle one are blocked. CRP.
Go ahead, 70, I think I've got him.
Okay. Is that somebody local?
10-4 Colgate Avenue.
Last name?
Ramsey? Theodore Ramsey.
Okay.
It ain't stopping, baby.
Okay.
They don't look like they're slowing down.
Norfolk Southern, please help.
Hi, it's Elyria Police calling back in reference to that. You got a train on East River. It's coming right at us.
Charlie, what's the story about East River?
Eastbound.
What? Hold on a minute.
Okay. He put me on hold. I'm on the phone. He put me on hold.
Voice watch.
Okay, the train is slowing down, but it's coming, and I think we have another accident.
The train is slowing
It
down.
is. Hold on. Okay, it looks like the train's about to stop.
Okay.
And if you could notify that we are still out there and try to get them stopped as soon as possible.
Well, yeah, I've already called, and that's probably why he's slowing down like that.
Okay, they're stopped.
They're stopped.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
West End is closing.